Hey guys, have you ever been on Google and you've asked it a question and this little FAQ box comes up where there's a bunch of similar related questions and they've got answers and those answers are connected to certain sites. Now, there is a way of appearing on this occasionally without having to get involved with rich snippets like FAQ schema, things like that. This is more into the complicated SEO side, and I will explain that when I do a course on SEO. So, what we do is we use a simple format, which is question, answer. So what you want to do is you want to phrase something a little bit like this. So for example, how many people believe Goldilocks is losing his hair? And underneath, you'll give the answer. 97% of people believe that Goldilocks is losing his hair. So by doing things in this way, you're having that question and answer down on your site, and you can talk about like the information, how it's gathered, things like that, and have a couple of different questions like this which are related and keep them on the same page. So a page entirely dedicated to the fact that my hair is disappearing faster than the rainforests. So basically, by providing the question and answer in this way, when Google's going through your website with its crawler, it is picking up the question, it is picking up the answer, and even if you haven't got your site set up perfectly, occasionally this is going to start appearing in your search results, which is going to give you the advantage of appearing above sites which are competing with you when certain questions are like asked and answered. So if you ask a couple of similar related questions and do a blog specifically designed for an FAQ and you write it out in this manner, it's not exactly very compelling from a personable sort of like a reader perspective, should I say. But what you've got is you've got a blog that is that's designed with one question, one answer. Underneath it, you've got information supporting that. Then you've got another question and another answer, which are related topics. And you do a couple of these like this with the information underneath, so that you're providing that information and Google can see, oh, okay, so this is providing questions relating to a certain topic. Now this will help you basically appear above your competition, and that is where every marketer wants their stuff to be. So even if your blog's new, it might start appearing in these FAQ sections when certain people look for it. Now, unless you set it up really, really well, it's not going to do this all the time. It's only going to do it a little bit of the time. But if you get 1, 2, 3 clicks through, if you get people who are actively looking at the content that you're producing, and maybe even getting picked up by Google's AI when it's responding, and like learning about things, and it's giving responses to people, that is going to benefit your company and that's going to benefit your business. Anyway, hopefully this will help you with your blogs. You have a nice day. Bye!